Hello traders and welcome to Supply and Demand Pro. In this video we're going to walk you through on how to install this tool. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that NinjaTrader is closed and not running in the background. Next, go ahead and access the file. Go ahead and double click to start the installation process and then click Next, Accept, and then click Next again, and then go ahead and click Install. It should just take a few seconds for the installation process to go ahead and complete. Once it's done, go ahead and click Finish. Now you can go ahead and reopen NinjaTrader. With NinjaTrader open, go ahead and open up a fresh, clean chart. It can be any market, any time frame. Right click and then go into Indicators. With the indicator window open, you'll see this file appear at the top. Go ahead and double click on that file. And in the drop down menu, you can see all the tools available here. Go ahead and choose whichever tool you want to go ahead and load. Double click and put it in the configured box. Put in your specific order ID. Go ahead and hit enter or click on OK, and you're all set and ready to go.